Let me show you how to make these triple cooked Parmesan truffle fries that will get you reactions like this.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you guys, since using this recipe, I'm never gonna cook chips any other way again. Firstly, peel your Maris Piper potatoes, but I'm gonna keep the skins and turn those into chips too. Now cut off the ends and the sides to make it kind of square shape and then chop them into about 1/2 inch thick, but not too thick, otherwise it won't cook. Now rinse it under cold water for a few minutes to get rid of all that starch, and then lightly salt your water and simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. You want the potato to be almost breaking apart, but if you overdo it, it will turn into mush. Now put them on a drying rack and into the fridge for at least half an hour. Now they should be cold and dry, so we're going to get some vegetable oil on a medium heat, about 130 Celsius, and we're going to fry them for about 5 minutes. Again, be careful not to overcook. We just want it to lightly crisp up on the outside, but we don't want it to go brown yet. We put them back in the fridge for another half hour, and when you're ready, you're going to fry them one final time on a high heat, about 180 Celsius, for a few more minutes. Drain off the excess oil, and now I'm going to season it with this amazing mixture of smoked salt, rosemary, and lime zest. Listen. And you know I always overdo it, so I'm gonna bougify it with some white truffle olive oil and top it off with some Parmesan